Bonjour. In this video, I want to help you to learn how to pronounce les lettres T suivies d'un H. TH. Do you know how to pronounce the sound TH in different words in French? It's very different to how we pronounce them for English words. So let's have a look at some examples together. Like all my video, I love to teach with lots of examples. So that's what I'm going to take you through in the next slides. So I will be able to say it at two speeds. One nice and slow, and then what the normal speed might look like. Let's dive in. Alors, here we have our first word, which is le thé. Le thé. J'adore boire du thé vert. J'adore boire du thé vert. J'adore boire du thé vert. Numéro 2, our second word is le théâtre. Le théâtre. Le théâtre. Notre exemple, our example is nous allons au théâtre ce soir. Nous allons au théâtre ce soir. Numéro 3 is un thème. Un thème. Le thème du film est intéressant. Le thème du film est intéressant. We have a few T sounds in here, one with the H and one without. They're pronounced the same. Thème and the T from intéressant are the same. Le thème du film est intéressant. There's also a liaison between est and intéressant. Then we have une théière. Une T-I-R. Together, une théière. Par exemple, la théière en porcelaine est magnifique. La théière en porcelaine est magnifique. Magnifique. Then we have une thèse. Une thèse. Par exemple, elle écrit sa thèse de doctorat. Elle écrit sa thèse de doctorat. Maintenant, something to eat, we have le thon. Le thon. Le thon est un poisson délicieux. Le thon est un poisson délicieux. Then we have similar sound, but instead of the nasal sound which makes you do quite pouty lips, now we have le thym. Le thym. Le thym est une herbe aromatique. Le thym est une herbe aromatique. Then we have a subject called la théologie. La théologie. La théologie. Il étudie la théologie à l'université. Il étudie la théologie à l'université. Now we have la thérapie. La thérapie. Un exemple, la thérapie aide à se sentir mieux. La thérapie aide à se sentir mieux. A little bit of a technical word. Un adjectif. Here we have thermique. Thermique. L'énergie thermique est utilisée pour chauffer. L'énergie thermique est utilisée pour chauffer. Then we have another adjective, this time théorique. théorique. L'approche théorique est parfois difficile à comprendre. L'approche théorique est parfois difficile à comprendre. And our last one, une thématique. Une thématique. We'll say, par exemple, la thématique du cours est fascinante. La thématique du cours est fascinante. Voilà. Nice short video for today for the sound T, ash. I have a lot of video on pronunciation. I'm very passionate to help learners make themselves understood and understand more French in their studies. So they're not always relying on written French. Reading and understanding, maybe even writing is more comfortable. I really want to help you with your speaking, your pronunciation, and making sure they understand you and you understand them more and more. So this is a tiny video to help you recognize those sounds that are definitely pronounced very differently in English with that H sound, which in French we just drop. As you saw in all the examples, we're just pronouncing the T letter, and it's a nice sharp sound. The H is not acknowledged at all. There's no air going out or in or a pause, nothing. Pretend it's not there. Practice with the examples I shared today. And in the comments below, I'd love to know if there's another word that you wish I had included, maybe another word you can think of with TH. That's your challenge for today. And I'll also share my playlist of over 50 videos all about pronunciation, hearing and understanding French better. Voilà. Au revoir. À la prochaine.